people and who girl this side. If you want to know how I created this look, then watch me do my makeup. Come on. First, the elementary step, sunscreen. I'm using the Moody sunscreen. While the sunscreen is on my skin, I'm applying my NMF lip balm. To make a gripping base for the foundation to sit, I'll be using the Inside Pore Minimizer Primer. And on my chin, nose. Before eyeshadow, we will have to apply a concealer, orange corrector under my eyes. I love this concealer palette from Mars. Now I'll be going with a dark shade. There might be a lot of critics for my makeup, but this is how my makeup works. Now I'll be blending all this together. I'm using this Lakme 9 to 5 foundation on my neck first. I'm gonna wear a lovely dress designed by my best friend. I'm gonna be the model for, like, one of the model for her dresses, her final year project. This is the second time actually being her model. The base is half done. For highlighting my face, I will be For real time makeup, the makeup techniques will differ. I'm especially doing it for camera. In camera, these things accentuate my features and my complexion. So that is why I am doing my makeup this way. Again, with my brush, I want to blend everything together. Press in the foundation and not you should not use the dragging motion. The concealer on my eyelids have creased, so I'm setting it with my finger. Okay, I have like set it properly. I mean, not setting. I'm just blending it properly. I'm setting. My eyelids. With Maybelline Compact. This is the compact. I've set only this portion so that I can do my eyeshadow. Zia? Hi Zia. Zia is here. Shallow. Shallow kurti. எங்க போறேன்? அங்க போறேன். I'm actually using eyebrow palette from MAC Look. I want that intense brown color, so I'm using an eyebrow palette. Putting it on my crease. On the other eye. Now blending it. இல்லை அவன் வந்துட்டு வெளியே விடலான்னு கத்திட்டு இருந்தா. We have a brown base going on. I'm gonna darken this eye a little bit. Okay. I'm taking a peach shade. Going in. it are gold, so I'll be adding this golden highlighter on my lip. Only on the inner part of the eyelid. I'll not be extending even till the half, only in the inner part. I'm gonna blend the highlighter a little bit. The eye makeup is done, so I'll be setting my face again with Maybelline Compact. I want little coverage, so I'll be using a compact. If you don't want much coverage, you can use a translucent powder.
Maya, Soumya.
Hi, school.
Yes, Maya.
Maya. Now I'll be setting my base using this matte look Pro Fix. To ensure the base is not cakey, I'm doing this step. I'm gonna add blush. I'm going with pink today. Pulling it all over to my temple. Now I'm gonna highlight my face. I'm doing my eyebrows with eyebrow gel. this mascara. This is from Zain and Manja. I'm gonna use this Glam lip shade. Shade 140, the brown legacy.
வண்டி எடுக்க சொல்லி நம்ம வேணும் எடுக்கிறாங்க.
அவங்க வராங்களா?
காற்று வருதா?
ஹாட்டாக தான் இருக்கு. I've popped up the plum shade with this Mars Magic Lip Gloss. That's it. The makeup is done. I will hurry. I'll see you later. Bye.